arrive as a fresh blanket of snow. Oops, missed one. And just in time for the holidays. Oh, by the way, you can thank me for all this. I am Grandpa Frost. Why don't you join me? I'm about to look in on some neighbors. 2 sisters live there. The older one knows how to work, but the younger one knows only how to avoid it. Ah, there's their grandmother now. Oh, I see she's not feeling well.
Good morning, Malasha.
Oh, my goodness.
What's the matter, Grandma?
Oh, I'm just a little tired, Dunjasha, from carrying the water. And I'm a bit cold.
You rest, Grandma, and don't worry. I'll just put these pastries in the oven. And I'll put some wood on the fire for you and warm this place up. Wake up, Malasha. You're going to sleep the whole morning away.
I'll be there in a minute, just as soon as I finish my dream.
Come on, Malasha. I need help with the chores. Grandma's not feeling well.
Well, neither am I. I've got such a headache.
Dunjasha is always ready with a helping hand.
That smells wonderful. I love having fresh pastries for breakfast. Ouch, they're hot.
On the other hand, that Malasha is such a lazy one. She always has an excuse to avoid doing any work. It looks like she needs to be taught a lesson. Bucket, bucket, bucket.
My, it's lovely out. I'm gonna go play in the snow.
Before you start playing, could you please fetch some water?
Why do I get stuck with the worst jobs? I hate hauling up water. Hey! Oh, this is what I get for trying to help out. Save me from this crazy kid, Dunjasha! Dancing away! Catch it, Dunjasha, catch it! Where is that bucket leading us?
I don't know, but it sure is beautiful.
Ooh, look! I've never seen anything like them.
Malasha, look! What a wonderful place.
Strange old man.
Hello, sir. Who are you?
I am Grandpa Frost. And now that winter has come, I need help with my house. My goodness, I've just had an idea. Maybe you can help me. If you would, I promise you will have your bucket back. And maybe even a small reward. As you can see, I need a lot of help around here while I'm busy stuffing the clouds with snow. You can start in the kitchen. My goodness, you're certainly a fast worker.
Well, you need the help, Grandpa Frost. Your work is very important. I'm getting your dinner started. Malasha, you can sew some shirts.
All right.
Be careful now. Sew it up right, Malasha.
Gosh, there's more to this than I've ever thought. I've always worn clothes, but I've never once asked how to sew them.
should just sweep the floor.
I don't know what to do. I've walked on floors my whole life, but I've never once thought how to sweep them.
What is the meaning of this? Who let a blizzard loose in my house? Don't tell me it was you.
Don't be angry, Grandpa Frost. It was just a little mistake. I've got an idea. Why don't I go and fluff up your feather bed for you? Well, there's certainly more to this than I've ever thought. Even though I've always slept on a feather bed, I've always let Grandma fluff it up for me. Oh my, such beautiful flowers. Are they real?
Of course, but it's still a little early for them. However, once spring comes, they'll be popping up in meadows everywhere and blooming outside of every window. Many thanks, Dunjasha. You've been such a great help. As I promised, your bucket is outside, ready and waiting. And for you, a special present. Go ahead. Why don't you try it on? Oh, it looks beautiful. This shawl is for your grandma. It will keep her healthy and warm on cold winter nights. Here.
Whoops! That's great. Now how about something for me?
Here you go, Malasha. In life, you always get what you deserve.
Come on, Malasha. Let's go show Grandma the gifts.
Goodness, I wasn't expecting any gifts. Oh my, Dunjasha. It's so toasty and warm. And so wonderfully elegant.
Never mind all that. Take a look at my diamond necklace. Oh no! It's melting! This is terrible! How could this happen? My beautiful necklace is only made of ice!
Poor Malasha. Such a big disappointment.
Now I see what Grandpa Frost meant. You always get what you deserve.
Now don't be sad, granddaughter. You'll soon feel better.
No, I won't.
Let me make you some nice hot tea.
I hate to see you unhappy, Malasha. Here, why don't you try these on?
Not without earning them, Dunjasha. I'll be right back.
Now, where do you suppose she's gone? Oh, look, Dunjasha. Malasha brought the water.
You have finally learned your lesson, Malasha. And now, holiday time is here again. My snow and frost are silvery on every branch, and Malasha and her family are very happy that she has learned the value of work. I hope your holiday will be as merry